If you're seeking one product that boosts your confidence and makes getting ready in the mornings really quick, look no further than this 2-in-1 lip and cheek tint. This features a hyaluronic acid and a vitamin E formula. It's a hybrid of skincare, lip balm, and the most stunning colour in one. As soon as you swipe this onto your lips and your cheeks, it's gonna lift your complexion and instantly boost your look and your confidence too. Just a little is all you need to really pick up your complexion and give yourself that wide awake, fresh-faced look. Look at the difference that this has made to my complexion. I'm in love with this. This is something that I love to carry in my handbag every day for when I want that little confidence boost.